Welcome to the Virtual Lead Auditor training course on ISO 9001-2015. Today, we are moving into Lesson 6, Audit Planning and Preparation. In this video, you'll learn how to plan and prepare for audits effectively, create an audit program, plan and schedule, develop audit checklists, handle pre-audit communication, review documents ahead of time, and finally, we'll look at a real-world example followed by an activity and homework task. Let's begin. Here are our learning objectives for today's lesson. 1. Understand why planning audits is crucial for success. 2. Learn how to prepare schedules, checklists, and proper communication before the audit. Good planning makes the audit smoother, more effective, and adds real value to your QMS. The Audit Program. This is your yearly plan that covers all departments in the factory. It's based on the risk level and performance of each process. For example, if the needle detection process had recent issues, it should be audited more frequently. Your audit program must ensure that no critical department is left out. Next is the audit plan and schedule. This includes the audit dates, locations, scope, criteria, and team members. Everything needs to be clearly outlined ahead of time. In a garment factory, you might schedule the finishing section audit during a high-output week to see how well they perform under pressure. The timing and focus of your audit should match real production challenges. Now let's talk about the audit checklist. This is a vital tool for auditors. It's developed based on the relevant ISO clauses and a good understanding of the department's processes. For instance, on the sewing floor, your checklist might include 5S housekeeping, line balancing, operator skill mapping, defect checkpoints, and record keeping. A good checklist helps you stay focused and consistent during the audit. Before the audit, communication is key. Auditees should be informed in advance. Send the agenda, explain the audit scope, and set the right expectations. This step reduces anxiety, avoids confusion, and ensures everyone is prepared to cooperate. Now comes document review. Before entering a department, go through their policies, SOPs, quality records, and any previous non-conformities. Example, if you are auditing the sewing line, review the inline inspection reports beforehand. This helps you ask smarter questions and dig deeper into potential issues. Here's a real success story. A factory in Narayanaganj created a structured audit plan before a major buyer visit. They found 15 minor non-conformities during internal audits. 10 were fixed proactively before the buyer audit. This kind of preparation can significantly boost buyer confidence and reduce audit pressure. Time to apply what you've learned. Activity: draft a weekly audit schedule for your own factory. Include which departments to audit and what areas to focus on, like quality, safety, or compliance. Homework: prepare a sample checklist for any one section, say sewing or packing. Include 5 questions that are related to ISO 9001 requirements. This practice will help you build real auditing skills. Thank you for joining this training session on audit planning and preparation. We hope you found it informative and practical. If you learned something valuable, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for updates. We'll see you in Lesson 7, Conducting On-Site Audits.